It's me again, back again with part 2 of the wash day, the styling process. This is what my curls turned out like after the ACV rinse and egg and mayo deep conditioner. What do you think? I think pretty well defined. My curls never look like this, barely ever, I promise. So anyway, let's just get into the tutorial. We're going to do a braid out today. As usual, I'm always trying to make decisions. I'm indecisive. I decided to go with a side part, so let's get into it. So good, girl, you know I'm proud. Looking at your face, scream my name, you do it so loud. What you'll need is a moisturizer, some type of holder, oil, and water, of course. So I start by spritzing my hair to loosen it up a bit more, and I massage that in. Then I go in with the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is my favorite, holy grail. It's so thick, it smells good, it's so moisturizing. But I massage that in, and then I detangle with the wide tooth comb. For the thicker parts of my hair, which is the back area in the middle, I have to go in with the wide tooth comb before I could go in with the paddle brush. I interchange it, but you'll see how I work it. But I have to detangle that, and also, this always happens, and also distribute the product. So to lock in all of that Shea Moisture, I just go in with oil. This also adds shine, and I massage that in. You will see that I go in with the paddle brush. This distributes the product, which is why I personally use the paddle brush to distribute more so than detangle. Go in with the hold of my choice. I chose mousse because it's light. You can use gel, or you can actually skip this step, but this just adds a little bit more of a hold. Wow. Of course, you got to give those ends some extra love. Here's a little lesson, little tie, don't stress them. What I like to do at the end is a hanging bantu knot. It is just what it sounds like. I think it looks weird when I do a braid out and the ends are straight while the rest of my hair is curly. So the hanging bantu knot, or even a perm rod, adds that curl. Y'all know that I'm the hottest nigga out my city. I stunt on front, don't give a fuck about what your bitch say. Get the fuck out my motherfucking trap. Okay, y'all, it's literally 5 days later. I like to wear wigs when I do a braid out because it takes my hair days to dry. So instead of taking a chance and ruining a good braid out, I just throw a wig on for a couple of days. That way I can guarantee that my hair is dry underneath. So when I'm ready to start taking down, I go in with that oil. I rub it through those braids, through my scalp a little bit, and then I start separating to get ready to unbraid. Remember that cute little coil I said that I get at the bottom of my braids when I do the hanging bantu knot? Yeah, that's it. This is what my hair is looking like after I take out all the braids. Not as cute, right? So obviously we're going to go in and separate those braids. This process takes me a little minute because I do like to separate almost every chunk. That way I get the volume that I'm looking for. Go back in with oil occasionally on your fingertips when you're separating in order to reduce as much frizz as possible. Also, when you're going in and you're separating, be sure to take your time and separate where the curl naturally wants to separate. This will also reduce your chances of frizz. Self-check. What is my hair looking like? What is that volume looking like? Ooh, she's cute, period. Of course, I wouldn't be myself. My style would not be complete without some edges, some baby hairs, whatever you want to call it. So you know I'm getting down with the get down, and I'm, yeah. the end of it all, this is what my hair is looking like. Big, just the way I like it. I'm satisfied. Checking those edges, make sure I got that the way I like. And yeah, this completes this styling process. This is my whole wash day process, start to finish. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service. If you feel you have reached this recording in error, please check the number and try your call again.